Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In the last sessions, we have learned how to draw shapes of various objects and create different drawings. However, while creating a drawing, you also need to provide the size information. You can provide the size information by adding the dimensions to your drawings. In this session, you will learn how to create various type of dimensions and learn about some standard ways and the best practices of dimensioning. So, without any further delay, let us start by creating a new drawing. In AutoCAD, there are many tools available for creating dimensions. You can access these tools from the ribbon, command line, and the menu bar. First, we will create some geometries. Here we have this rectangular like shape. Then we have this circular shape. Then we have an arc. With these three shapes, we will start dimensioning with this standard dimension tool. Here, we can simply use the conventional method by clicking one point and then clicking the second point. Then we can place the dimension anywhere we want. Another way is to simply move your cursor over a line and it will automatically get you a specific dimension. Or you can click on any 2 points to get a dimension. By placing your cursor on a circular shape, you will get its angle automatically. Same is the case with an arc. For circular and shapes with arcs, you get either a dimension for diameter or for radius. Next, we have more dimension tools. For that, we need some more geometries. Now we have this triangular-like shape. Now, if we select linear, we get the linear dimensions, like this one for top. And if we try for this angled area, we get a linear dimension, like this. But if we choose align and select this, we get this aligned dimension, unlike the linear dimension. Next, we have angular. For that, we will create some more shapes. Let's turn on ortho so that we get some angles other than 90°. Now we can go and select the angular dimension. We select one line and then the other line. Now we are getting an angular dimension. You can notice a degree sign along with your dimension, which describes the angle between these two lines. After selecting the two lines, you can move this cursor inside or outside to get the best possible way in order to annotate your dimensions. Next, we create some more shapes. Like here we have a circle. Now we copy it here. From this radius, you can see we have R5 value, and with this diameter, we get this diameter of 10. Both are same, but the dimension is with respect to radius or with respect to its diameter. Now we get this smiley face. It is just to show you how you can show an arc length like this. Now we are not following with the angle, we are following with the arc length. Now we create some more shapes. Now we have a shape which has two different centers. One center is for circle and the other is for arc. For these types, we use the jog dimension. First, we select this arc, then we specify the centers. Let's specify the center of the circle. And then we can place it anywhere and specify the jogged area. Here is the jog dimension. Let's see a few more. We turn on the auto mode, create a straight line. So we have this L-type shape. Now in dimension, you can see this is 10, this is somewhere like 15, but here if we choose this ordinate, it will show the position of this specific point with respect to the user coordinate system. And say if we want this position, it is this value with respect to this specified UCS. If we want to cross check, you can create a line from 0, 0 until that specific point. It was 642.88. So we get the similar values, which shows that at any point of drawing, you can simply use this option to get the exact coordinate system with respect to this UCS. So this was the ordinate option. Now we create another geometry. Here we have a stair type structure. Now in dimension, We can create this one by using the standard option like this. And then we can choose this option which is called as continue. All we need to do is specify the points like this, and it will automatically create the different dimensions. Here we can break or adjust space. In order to adjust space, we simply select one, press enter, and then select the other value, and then press enter. If we click auto, it will replace it automatically. Next, let's create another geometry. Here we have a circle and then a rectangle. Now, with center mark, we can create an annotation like this, and for center line, we click one line, the other line, and here we are. We have got a center line. Let's create another rectangle. Inside, we have a small circle. Let's mirror it to get two circles. Here we make another arbitrary position. Now, here we have a quick option. It will give automatic dimensions. We select all of them and then place them here. I usually don't prefer this quick dimension because sometimes it creates fuss, as one dimension would come on top of other. So you can either move them manually or you can use the adjust space option like this. Or you can use these grips to move them upside or downside. So in this session, we have seen all these geometries annotated with dimensions of various kinds. This was all about dimensions. I hope you will get better when you will start practicing these dimensions in your drawings. See you in next session. Till then, take care.